Hi, Denji.
Hey. Hey, Aki. Hey, Aki.
Hi, Aki. You're home in blue.
So what are we doing today?
Didn't you like yesterday on the schedule thing? You said that we were going to Denji, you know that
One of two things you can do. That stretch her out within a matter of weeks.
What is playing on the TV?
Oh, sorry.
And why is he still here?
I don't know.
Fred?
He won't leave.
Fred. Is he just with
Fred
us?
won't leave.
Oh, I guess he's just stuck
Yeah,
with
He
us.
won't
now.
leave. Yeah.
I mean,
So anyway,
guys, I've
Reze-
noticed something. I noticed something. Ever since Lenji left out of our life, my life has been so much better. I've been eating better. I've been sleeping better. I've been going on long walks, being healthier, taking better showers.
Taking
It's
better
been
showers.
such a
You
blessing.
you don't take any showers.
Yeah.
What's
I
the
do. I
last
learned
time
how to
you go-
take showers on YouTube.
I don't think that's something you should be learning
can-
on YouTube.
Wait, you can
No,
upload that. You can upload that on YouTube.
No, well, it didn't really have the red and white. It didn't have the red and white sign. It had the orange and black one. So like,
Yeah, I
Woof.
don't think that was YouTube, Bauer.
That was not YouTube. What are we doing today?
I think we should go back to school because you didn't get your you didn't get your graduate's degree. Yeah, you didn't go to school.
What is a graduate's degree?
It's when
What
you're really,
school?
really
What is
smart and you
school?
can get jobs and everything, Denji.
I'm already smart,
No, Denji.
and I
What's
already
two
have a
plus two?
job.
Then why are you still living at my apartment, Denji?
46. Huh?
Why are you still living at
Because Miss Makima said we have to live here.
well,
Denji,
what is school hard?
Yeah.
But it's
Is it?
necessary.
Then I don't
It
want to go to
is.
school.
Power, I'm going to have to force you to go to school because one of the requirements for living here.
I'm not
is-
going to.
No, Power. The Secret Service come to my house every single day. They ask, "Hey, do
Secret
Denji and Power,
Service.
do Denji and Power go to school yet?" That's kind of a
They
requirement
know
for
our
them to-
names.
Yes, it's a
They
part of
know
what,
our
what
names?
Miss Makima sent for us. You know, Miss Makima kind of abandoned us. She hasn't been around lately, so she sent Secret Service to come spy on us.
Oh.
Yeah.
Give me this. Tell Fred. No more,
So,
more toys. No more toys,
We
Fred.
kind
No
of do
more
have to go to school. We're forced.
Right.
to.
But I don't want to go to
Mm.
school. Nobody wants to
That's
go to
too
school.
bad.
Do you want to go to
That's
school,
too
Denji?
bad. Power, that's way too
No.
bad. You need to go to school
are there hot girls?
Well, I'm not going to school, boy.
sometimes, but
Hey,
yeah,
hey.
there is.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You're gonna have to find.
Let me out. All right, guys.
Oh,
I
actually,
stole one of Aki's.
Hey,
I stole
why are
one
you
of
wearing
your.
that?
I stole one of your jackets. I thought it would fit
All right.
nice. Oh
Stop
wow.
stealing my clothes. I didn't tell you guys to wear these.
This one's pretty
Whoa.
pretty tight, but it fit me.
You know,
Yeah,
I
it looks
already
tight
went.
on you.
I already went to school, so I don't need to. But I'll
So
just
why
be
are
looking.
you coming?
I'll just be looking out for you guys in case you guys mess up.
Mess up. You mess school?
There's a lot of things you guys.
How do you mess up at school?
There's a lot of things you guys don't know about public indecency. You guys might mess up.
What's public indecency?
Public indecency. Ooh,
No,
yippee!
no, Power, no! That is not a woohoo moment.
What's What's public indecency? Aki, what's public indecency?
Denji, it's when you're naked in public, Denji.
It's when people give you free ice cream.
Of course, yippee, wahoo, yay,
I want public indecency.
No,
I want public
Denji.
indecency.
Denji, you're going to get arrested, Denji.
You know what? I want to grow up to
Wait,
to-
for
to
getting
do
ice
public
cream?
indecency.
No, Denji.
Oh,
no.
you're gonna grow up to make ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yeah.
Why did you just stick out your tongue when you said that?
What time do we have to get to school?
No! You're late already!
What time is
CR?
it?
What time is
Why'd
it?
you look on your wrist like you had a clock?
The
I
clock
thought
is
I
right
had a
there. The
watch.
clock is right there.
It's one.
It says 4:58.
I think that's a
4:58.
one.
I don't think you could read Power.
That's a 4.
1:58.
Well, what time does school start?
1
We're late
So
by like
we're
an
only
hour.
50 minutes
It's
late.
okay.
15 minutes late.
Yeah, we're
we'll
only
make it in
50
time.
minutes
Can we
late.
take?
Yeah,
Can we take
we
Fred
didn't-
with us?
Of course.
We take
Actually,
Fred
no.
with
I
us?
think
I
we
don't
might need to
think
get on
they
the train
allow-
first. We might need to get on the train first.
It's a faster way.
I mean, yeah, but doesn't that mean the school's like really far away?
It is actually really
Yeah.
far away because it's a good school. I made sure to put you guys in a good school, okay? So don't cause any mischief. Don't cause any drama. Don't get kicked out.
Who do you think we are? We don't cause mischief.
Denji, you literally,
Yeah.
you caused the
Guys,
lawyer.
guys.
I don't-
9/11.
Exactly. Get on the train.
Guys, we just missed our train.
Bro!
Oh no!
God.
It's a nice train. God damn.
Power, set the portal. Set the portal. So it looks like we're moving to school. Set the portal.
Breaking the portal.
Shh.
No.
How are you?
You know what? I'm sick of this. First, I
No,
gotta get to eat
no, she's about to kill herself.
Power.
She's about to kill herself. Yo!
Power. Club school.
Can you still not read, Denji?
I just read the sign. It says Helping Hands Club School. Whatever that
Oh,
means.
Yeah. I think this is a disabled.
What is the Helping
Wow.
Hands School?
It's a
Wait,
it's a
why are
school-
you?
think it's
Wait,
the-
why? Why are
It's a
we in
s-
this?
It's a school for the disabled.
But we're not disabled. I don't think.
Act like I didn't hear you say that.
What?
Disabled? I'm not disabled.
Okay. Okay.
Hey guys,
Get
what
rid
are
of
you
the
guys talking
pictures.
about?
Oh,
Oh,
we're
we were
just.
just chatting.
Aki, you promised me. You promised me cute girls. I've not seen a single cute girl
Listen,
since we
listen,
got to
listen.
the school.
Reze is right here. Reze's right here. Look at Reze.
I said
What about
cute
me?
girl. I said I wanted to see a cute girl.
That's a
Reze's
violation.
just a girl that breaks into our house every day.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. I think
You
I
and
got
the-
you.
She got keys to our house.
Cute.
Hey.
Whoa!
Reze,
What did she
I don't
just
think you
say?
should say
Hey,
that
that's
word.
your fault, Denji.
Reze,
You can't say that to Reze.
Should I go apologize?
Apologize right
I'll go
now.
apologize.
Yeah.
Apologize.
Apologies.
Apologize.
Fucking
Hey,
hate this
Aki
school.
told me to come apologize. Aki told me to apologize to you. I'm so sorry for what I said. You are not just a
I
girl
like
that
big
breaks into
black
our house.
dudes shaking their boots in my face.
Oh, what a great
Hey
day at
guys,
school.
what are you guys talking about?
Why is your chin?
Oh my god. It's class.
Hey,
I
I
saw this on a
Class.
YouTube video. Maybe
This
we
will
should
be-
sit at the back so we
Oh
can
my
be
God.
entitled as cool kids.
Class.
But we're the
Cool
only ones in
kids.
this classroom.
Okay.
You gotta make
Oh,
your
you're right.
students listen. You hear me?
I
You gotta
guess
make
it's in the front.
these.
They're
angels.
reading.
Don't read. The board. You cannot read. You cannot read this.
Yes, I can. Fine, I'll sit by the window. Sit
Yeah,
by
sit
the
by
window.
the window.
if they say anything.
Hey, what is the board?
will never find out. You know.
Good morning.
You see that? They can't read. Hey, class.
It's fine. They can't read.
Read the board. As you can see, it says good
Good
morning.
morning.
No. That's not what it says. Good morning, nice person. Good morning.
I may not be able to
Nice
read, but I
person.
definitely know that does not say nice person. That's one word.
Shut up, Denji. Shut up. Just do as I say. Do as he says. Shut up.
Why is our teacher bald?
Listen, he has
Hold on,
he
guys.
has
I just
He has leukemia?
Aki, I just want to test something. Michael Jordan.
Oh no. As the
I don't think he
principal-
should be raising his fist at students.
As the principal.
Wait,
of
you're a
the
principal?
School, yeah, I know.
Since
I
when
made
were
this
you the
school.
principal?
I've been working on this little
You're a
project.
principal?
Yeah, I've been working on this little project for a while. This is your new teacher. Be nice.
Aki,
to
you
him.
work a 9-to-5 job. Since when do you have time to teach children? I thought you hated kids.
I need the money.
On me.
You have an apartment. You get paid for killing devils. What do you need the money for? What do you spend your money on?
Yo, your tie. Your tie's gonna.
Oh, my tire's flowing
Yeah.
around in the
Are you
wind.
trying to riz up Aki?
No, I was fixing his tie.
Go,
Like,
Reze!
like the good friend I am.
Listen,
Friend,
you can't raise up the.
You
can't
could. You,
raise up
I
the-
rarely see you two talk. I
Hey,
rarely
teacher,
ever see you two
can I-
talk.
Teacher, can I please use the restroom?
Aki, tell them
No.
about our appointment.
Our
What?
appointment. Hey,
Why?
what did I tell you about? What did I tell you about leaking
Yo,
information?
what the
Hey,
fuck?
We have a new student. I think we have. Hey,
Yeah,
hey,
we have a
I
new
think we
student.
have a new student.
A new student.
Hey, welcome, hop in.
New student.
Oh, the new student's black.
Okay, so meth is this white
Oh my
substance
God.
in the form of this rock right here or anything.
Uh huh.
It is basically a chemical that is used to be sniffed
like a
up.
Pop-Tart.
Oh fell again.
Isn't
Can you
that
stop yelling
cocaine?
out? You stupid
So it's a
fucking
white substance, and that is. Let me get on this side.
bitch ass.
Yes, Denji.
Miss.
Please,
Oh,
Denji.
damn hand
What's your
down.
question?
I produce white substances.
Okay.
That is
You
not
know-
meth, my friend. That is
You know
a
what?
baby
May
formula.
I excuse
It-
myself?
need to be
May I
very
excuse
careful with
myself?
that.
I
Of
think I need
course.
to use the restroom.
It's
Of
it's not
course.
a liquid substance.
And don't follow me.
It's not a liquid. It's not supposed to be.
I know what I must do.
No, no.
Hey, Power.
It is a solid. It is a solid substance.
What do you said, boy? Yo, follow.
I know what I must do, Power. Get in the bathroom now.
Anyways, where the fuck is that other student?
Get in the bathroom.
I'm gonna just go. I don't even know what bathroom is.
Let me lead you. Let me lead you. Oh no. This is our former principal. He died 2 years ago. No. Since you're laughing, sit down on this chair. I'm teaching you discipline. You must be disciplined now. Sit down on this chair. Sit down. So, Power, as you know, you just no, Power. You broke your skull.
Oh,
Power, as
I'm
you
okay.
know.
I'm okay.
Let me sit down. As you know, you just laughed at our former principal here, right here. Guess what his name was?
No idea.
His name was Quavion Davius III. And you might be asking, based off of his skin, that's not funny. Based off of his skin color, you might be asking, what? He doesn't sound like you'd have the name Quavion Davius III. And you're right, but that doesn't matter. What does matter is that you laughed at him. Okay? Don't ever laugh at him again. You laugh at him again, I will suspend you for 3 years. That is your entire school year gone. What did you do? What was that?
I coughed.
Oh, okay, okay.
I coughed.
Okay. I've worked my butt off for principal for the last 2 years on your guys' little tiny minds. You guys didn't know a clue about me, but I am a principal at this school, at this institution right now.
You
will
wouldn't
not
dare suspend your own friend from school.
You think I won't? He controls everything. You might not think it, but he's still alive. He's right there as we speak.
Sorry, I
Get
coughed.
out.
I
Get
coughed
out.
again.
Get out.
I coughed.
Get out.
What are you monkeys doing?
I coughed. I coughed
Maya,
again.
Maya, nothing. Listen, Reze, just go back to class. Go back to
What-
class.
what-
Everything's
What are you
fine.
guys?
Everything's fine. Go back to class.
Worry
Just go back
about
to
it.
class. Go back.
We're having a deep conversation. Better
Raising
back
each
in
other up isn't allowed
class
at the
and
school
yell
here.
at you.
Why did you smile for a split second?
Right?
Oh.
Who
Hey,
let
where
this
did you come
pedophile?
from?
Are
in
you
the
the new
school?
stu?
Who let this pedophile
You-
in the
you
school?
hired me.
He just touched a
I-
young
you
girl.
hired me for
He
math.
touched a
I
young
did?
girl.
You
He touched a young
you
girl.
hired me. No, you hired me to be the math teacher. I didn't touch any little girl.
I don't remember hiring
Drop
you.
this coffee.
hired you.
You hired me.
No, I
You
didn't.
did hire me.
What's your name? What's your name?
You
What's your name?
did.
What's your name?
My name is Mr. Johnson.
Mr. Johnson. All right, come here.
I'm the
BCL,
teacher.
BSL.
Hey,
BSL.
you, get out of here. You, leave.
BSL?
You, down here,
From BSL.
down here.
He's a pedophile. Get out of here.
What happened to our students?
Hey, how you doing?
Get out of here, Rat.
Hey, little
Get out of
boy.
here.
Walter!
Get out of
How about
here,
I
you
give you-
rat.
Hey,
I'll give
Walter,
you.
you
I'll
need to
give
follow
you
me right
special
now.
lessons
You
after
need to follow me right now.
class.
And go away, Rat.
Mr.
I
Johnson,
need to-
you sit on the red chair. Me?
Is-
Actually, no, you sit right
who's
here.
that?
Mr. Johnson, listen.
Who the hell is
That's the
this?
fat
I
man.
already explained. Listen, sit down,
That's
sit
the
down,
fat man.
sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
What's wrong? Oh wait, we can
I've already
sit in
explained this to
chairs?
Power
Oh.
multiple times, and now I'm going to explain it to you. This is our principal, Quantavius Quimblebottom III,
I
His
thought
name
you
be
were
thought
the
you were the
principal.
I thought you were the
our
principal.
former principal. You know what happened to him? You know what happened to him?
Ah,
He died 3
what
years ago.
happened?
He's gone. And I've been in his. Why are you laughing? This isn't a laughing matter. This is an
I'm
important.
sorry, that was not me. That was him.
One more thing, I'm gonna need you to stop
up.
talking.
I'm just here.
Power.
I'm just here to teach
This
the
is a teacher meeting.
class.
This is a teacher meeting. Actually, no.
hey,
No,
little
no, no,
gal.
no, no. Power. Come here. Teach us about Quantavius Quimblebottom III. Teach him all about him.
Alright, so basically, let me just show y'all a quick example of him right now. So pretend that I am right next to him, okay?
I have terminal cancer.
He died. Yeah, that's
What
how
the
he
hell
died.
is
That's how he
going on?
died.
You signed a goddamn pedophile to our school.
Get this pedo out of here. He's setting up a
not
camera in your
verified.
office. Look at him.
Did y'all see the visual represent?
Why are
Get
all
out
of
of
you
here.
in here?
Hey, get back in the classroom.
This is a teacher. So, all right, I'm going to explain to you the lore of Quantavius Quimblebottom III and the history of this school. Okay? So, number
Yeah,
1.
Okay.
Here's what happened.
Aki,
Reze?
that kind of looks like.
Yeah, it kind of looks like him.
Listen,
Except
he has
little
nothing
less
to do
sexy.
with
I
Walter.
can't do this.
Nothing to do with Walter. All right? Listen,
Oh, my name is Walter Hall.
Jonathan, this is our principal, Quantavius Quimblebottom III, right?
It's a nick!
Hey, is that Shigeo
Hey, what this
Kageyama?
ball-
I ain't teaching this ugly fuck. I ain't teaching him.
Hey,
Yo, Shigeo, I hired
hey,
you.
yeah,
Did
you-
you finish the job? Did you?
you
do good?
hired me to fight. Yeah, I did great.
Yeah, you did great. Good job, Shigeo.
Yippee!
Yay, yippee.
Yahoo!
Okay, this is cool. I know this isn't
Remember
your
from
usual
the
school,
hidden
but
scenes?
You got transferred here.
Remember when I was...
I got
Remember
transferred.
from the hidden scenes when I was wearing this particular skin? Lenji, shut your bitch ass up!
Oh.
What?
I've seen this in a movie. I know how to take care of this.
What the?
Oh, that Lenji, no! Don't do that. Lenji,
Leggy,
no.
that's a little girl.
I've seen it in a
Hell
movie. It
nah,
works every
cause
time.
I ain't gonna let that shit slide. You ugly fugly troglodyte. You stupid
Who are you?
bitch.
Hi, I'm Shigeo Kageyama.
I ain't never seen an Asian Edgar in my life. Get on my face. You about ugly as hell, boy.
Oh, you don't wanna upset him. He gets a little angry when he doesn't know how to unleash his emotions very
Let
well.
me
Hey,
guess. Let me guess.
posit-
He sees. No. Let me guess. He sees red when he's mad. Goofy. Get out my
Oh,
face,
Hey.
stupid nigga.
Positivity's key. Going.
Oh my Jesus Christ, mother alone! Why don't you put Skittles in my boot?
Listen, Shigeo.
Lemon juice into a cup. What in
Oh,
good
nah,
God's
you
name
got
is that?
slapped. Personally, I would
Oh,
not let that
yes.
slide, Shigeo.
Oh.
Oh, nah.
Oh,
You got Shigeo
my
upset. It's time for you to pay now.
bro was confused. Yo,
What the? What? What was that?
I think
just
he
gave
just.
you a
I think
kiss.
he
It's positivity.
on Valentine's Day.
Oh, I'm not into dudes. I'm sorry.
I can be a woman.
Oh, thank you.
It speaks.
It's okay. You'll get him next time. Try next year.
He's ugly and he was.
Aki. Oh my
Oh,
god. It's a nigga.
no.
This school
Huh?
gotta blow
Blow
up.
up the school. All the children in the school
No,
suck.
this is my school.
Blow it
No,
up.
no, Shigeo, think about this for once,
Blow it
please.
up.
Shigeo, this is my school, okay? I work very hard in the school. You don't need to blow up, please.
Nah,
Please,
blow it
Shigeo,
up.
Shigeo, it's okay to express your emotions, please. Shigeo, please. No, please, Shigeo, please. No, Shigeo, it's okay. It's okay, Shigeo. It's okay, Shigeo. No, please, okay? It's
What do
okay to
you
express your
want,
emotions.
old man?
If you explode it, you like big booty black men working in your face all day.
You see, she got you there.
Yeah.
It's okay, guys.
Psych, you really thought.
okay,
I
guys,
love
I'm sorry.
I love the suck.
It's okay, guys, he said
If you do
sorry.
it, you
I'm
like
sorry.
big booty black woman twerking in your face.
No.
I'm gonna go break in.